Hey, how's it going, YouTube? I just put an 8-foot Bimini on the top of my 12.5-foot bris boat, 12.5-foot bris inflatable boat, 8 feet by, let's say, anywhere from 54 to 60 inches wide. So I didn't want to add extra patches or extra stuff to glue on the boat, and I definitely didn't want to drill into it. So I said, well, I know the back and front are just straps. I'm not going to drill into the boat, but I can drill into the oar and feel comfortable about it. So what I did was go right on the seam of that oar on the side with the grommets on the outside, and drilled right into the seam. Put a couple pilot spots and then drill the holes, the pilot holes, and then put the screws in. So even if I need the oars, I could always just unscrew the thumb screw and take the Bimini off and then use the oars. I got trolling motors, so I'm gonna definitely be using those. But just in case, emergency situation, I just have to paddle. All I gotta do is let the Bimini down, take a couple screws out, and I can use the oars without feeling any guilt for drilling into any parts of the boat, because the oars attach very firmly with the oar screws and hold into place. I'll just drill into the oar, put my hook pieces on, and it looks like it's gonna cast quite a bit of shade. And this is the 8-foot Bimini with 60 inches wide. I was looking for ideas for a while on how to attach this to an inflatable boat, and I just want to pass on this little tidbit of information to give somebody else good ideas for the same thing. All right, thank you.